All right, my people, welcome back onto this channel. Well, this is another strong one reaching us still on the matter. Oyo traditional rulers call for calm following Obasanjo's accusations. All right, my people, the news in details. Well, in response to the recent incident involving former President Olusegun Obasanjo and some traditional rulers in Iseyin, Oyo State, the traditional rulers are arguing restraint in comments made about the situation. Oba Olushola Alao, the Olugbon of Orile Igbo and the deputy chairman of the Oyo State Council of Obas and the Chiefs, issued a statement emphasizing the importance of maintaining calm in the wake of the incident. Former President Obasanjo had accused the traditional rulers present at the inauguration of the Iseyin campus of Lautech of showing disrespect to Governor Seyi Makinde. Oba Olushola Alao clarified that the matter is an internal affair of the State Council of Obas and would be thoroughly reviewed at their upcoming meeting. He acknowledged the reactions and concerns expressed by individuals who hold the traditional institution in high regard. He stated, and I quote, "Let me assure all Yoruba and other well-meaning Nigerians who have respect for the traditional institution and who feel concerned about the incident that our silence since Friday is not an act of cowardice. When we sit down with the governor and hold our meeting, we will review and respond appropriately in the next meeting." The traditional ruler called for decorum in line with the Omoluabi ethos, which the Yoruba people greatly value. He reaffirmed the commitment to maintaining peace in Yoruba land and preserving the unity of the Yoruba people. He also urged everyone to disregard any information contrary to his statement. The incident at the state function involved Mr. Obasanjo reprimanding the traditional rulers for not standing when Governor Seyi Makinde arrived at the venue. It has sparked reactions and discussions across the country, particularly in Yoruba-speaking states. Well, meanwhile, it had also been gathered that the Oyo Council of Obas defend support for Tinubu against Obasanjo criticism. Well, onto this one, the Oyo State Council of Obas and the Chiefs, a group of traditional rulers, has defended their support for President Bola Ahmed Tinubu in the 2023 general elections. This comes after former President Olusegun Obasanjo criticized some of the traditional rulers for their support of Tinubu. The traditional rulers stated that they have no regret about their decision and that they will continue to support Tinubu and Governor Seyi Makinde in the future. They also mentioned that the incident with Obasanjo will be reviewed at their next meeting. The traditional rulers want it to be clear that their support for Tinubu is unwavering and any contrary information should be disregarded. Well, my brother, my sister, a lot of things are actually going on right now. Well, we have seen it all. This is Nigeria. Well, somebody made it clear that don't mind this Obaso. Don't mind them. The reason why they are saying they are in support of Bola Ahmed Tinubu because he is the president, is the incumbent president. So they can do anything to be relevant. Well, we have seen that all. Well, meanwhile, according to Segun Ayodeji Odewonmi, says, well, Obasanjo will soon meet is Waterloo. Well, from you about who? Okay, you are talking about one of the most respected African and the world-renowned Nigerian citizen. I beg, I know say Emilokan don poison you. OBJ no be una mate o. Alright, you see, this is we have said it. Politics is actually running right now. Yes, some set of people have made it clear that you nobody should downgrade OBJ, while some set of people are supporting Baba Bola Ahmed Tinubu, the president right now. Yes, that they are for him. But we already know what is going on in this country. Nothing is actually working the way it's supposed to work simply because there is hardship. Me, I will not blame anybody who is actually in full support of who they believe can make them have ends meet. That's exactly what Nigeria is talking about because there is hardship everywhere. So everybody can say anything whatsoever they wish in their hearts to say. But one thing we know for sure is that with everything that is going on in the country, we need somebody that will be able to help the situation on ground. Somebody that will be able to make things work out for us. Yes, that is why we have been saying it. Let us all come out and then speak one voice. Yes, Baba Bola Ahmed Tinubu is there. A lot of people some set of people are happy, while some are not happy. Well, I know that there are some people out there that are not happy. In fact, majority are not happy with what is going on. Not that they are not happy that the president is there, but they are not happy because things are not working in the way they actually expected. We already know what is going on. Hardship everywhere, which is causing a lot of debt in the country, unwarranted debt in the country, because everybody just want to survive, and then they are looking at it that anybody that want to go against our wish or that want to cross our lane will bring that person down. A lot of things are actually going on right now in the country because there is hardship, because everybody just needs to survive and all that. It is not funny at all. Well, somebody had made it clear that don't contribute to matter you don't know until the old Yoruba home and abroad chase OBJ, this fool from our land. Keep thinking, okay? Keep stinking mouth shut. Okay, that's another one that somebody has just said. Well, a lot of things are still coming up right now as we speak, but one thing for sure is that we should all learn to do the needful. We should all learn to do the right thing. When you do good thing will definitely follow you. But when you do bad, my brother, my sister, bad things will keep following you. There's no way, you cannot escape it. One day shall be one day. Every day for the thief, and then one day will be for the owner. And exactly what it is, my brother, my sister. Onto this one, what more can we say? Meanwhile, let me have your own take, my people, on this. And remember to subscribe for more updates if you are just joining us on this channel for the first time. All right, thanks and God bless.